morning, everybody. Here's our first Cleveland Pantera engine, 408 stroker. It's got the Borla stack injection on it. I got the Edelbrock heads. We got coil packs on the top. This is going into a Pantera also. And man, what a fantastic motor. I had to configure the air conditioning and everything out for the gentleman, but it was well worth the wait. We didn't want to put this on until the dyno was running perfect. Made 5 1/4 at 570 foot-pounds of torque. Gonna be a badass little Pantera. Hey, check us out. Here at Proformance Unlimited, we build one at a time. Custom built to your order. Anything you're looking for, we'd be happy to take the challenge. Peace. Okay, Peter, I got your Pantera engine on the dyno. Happens to be the 408 Cleveland with the stack injection. We're gonna pull it to 5800. It's gonna run fantastic. It's tuned in really good.